in this side, welcome back. This is chapter 12 where we are going to look how to create a reusable Docker file. Once we create the Docker file, we can reuse in any other project. Okay, so let's start. So this is our project we have created in last lecture. So if you are new to this channel, then I request you to go and watch my previous video so that you can get a better understanding on this. So this is a Docker file which we have added in our project, and this is the instruction. Okay, so we already discussed on this the meaning of this instruction and why we add this instruction in Docker file. Okay, so suppose this Docker file we added for this project, and now if I create one more Spring Boot application, so for that I need to create one more Docker file, and I need to change this name, target demo, this target demo here, this Docker demo, and this Docker demo. I need to change 3 names. Okay, why? Because in this project I give here static name. Okay, inside target folder there is a docker.demo.jar. Okay, so that jar I want to copy in the image file. Okay, so for some other project, for example, if I create the test project, so inside target folder there is a test.jar, so copy test.jar. So this need to replace each time. So now my requirement is I want to create this very generic file. Okay, so instead of static name, just add star. So star.jar, it means in target folder whatever name of jar, whatever name .jar. Okay, so from target folder docker copy this .jar file into the image file. Here give generic name app.jar. Okay, so inside target folder whatever name of jar is copied into your app.jar. Now this app.jar present inside image, so entry point should be app.jar. Here now we need to pass slash at the end. Now let's create the build. This is our generic Docker file. You can copy this file in any other project. For every project this file work. Okay, so let's run and go to the Maven build and now we are using this command. Okay, why we are using this command? This is not related to this generic Docker file concept. If you don't know about this command, so watch my previous video. With this command, application build, your Docker image create, and your Docker image will be pushed onto your Docker Hub. 3-step perform with this command. So that's why I add this command. If you don't know about this, you can watch previous video. Okay, push, and now go to terminal. Here you can see build is created. Now image creation started. Okay, step 1 out of 4, step 2, 3, 4. Okay, image created and your Docker file pushing into the Docker Hub. So let's see what is the Docker file name. In pom.xml, Docker file name is docker generic image. Okay, so pushing, mounted from Docker Hub. So mounting is okay, push. Now go to the Docker Hub and check dockerhub.com. Sorry, Docker Hub. Okay, in Docker Hub we have just pushed our image, docker generic image. Okay, this is the name, docker generic image. You can see here in pom.xml we create the image with name docker generic image. Okay, so basically if we add this type of configuration in our Docker file, so this is the generic Docker file. Okay, you can use this Docker file in any other project also. No need to change anything from here. Don't forget to add slash after that. Okay, if you provide the static name here, okay, for example, if you provide the static name, okay, then you no need to provide a slash here at the end. But star means more than one jar, there may be chance more than one jar file is present, so that's why we need to add slash. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion or any doubt, please ask me in comment. Bye bye.